This is the Common Math, and my name is Dhimandev Goswami. So, in today's video lecture, we are going to be focusing on understanding what is ball parking. So, ball parking is a technique of elimination, right? Eliminating the option and finding the fastest or quicker solution to a problem. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and try and understand with a question. So in front of us we have a problem. It says if price of rice decreases by 2 rupees, then a person can buy 4 kg more of rice for 16 rupees. Find the original price. Now the options given to us are A rupee 4.5, B rupee 4, C rupee 5, D rupee 6, E none of these. You can pause the video and try it for yourself. Take not more than 30 seconds. So let us try for ourselves. If we are going to take the long method, it's going to take us more than 2 minutes, because in that long method we are going to make an equation and then solve for that equation and then find the value. We're going to consider the original price of rice X. So, but usually in competitive examinations, we don't get so much of time. So how to solve, how to make use of these options? So very first, the main approach is that watch how I'm going to tackle the problem. So let's say our time starts now. So the original price is X, then the new price will be X minus 2, as price reduced by 2 rupees. And the new amount of rice is 16 by X minus 2, because 16 is the total budget divided by the price per kilo. You'll get the total amount of rice you can buy, minus 16 divided by X will be the original amount of rice that you can buy. And what is given to us? 4 kg more, right? The difference between the new and the old amount of rice which we can buy is equals to 4, right? And now I'm going to make use of the options given to me. So what is given to me in the options? Okay, let's say what I see from the equation, that X must be a number, must be such number that it divides 16 completely, and X minus 2 must also divide 16 completely, because only then their difference will give us a whole number, which is 4, right? So if I take X6, 6 won't divide 16. So therefore 6 is not, D is not our option. 5 doesn't divide 16. And 4.5, obviously it doesn't divide 16. So what about 4? So 4 divides 16, and 4 minus 2, which is 2, divides 16. So what is that? So therefore if I substitute 4, I get 16 by 2, and this is 8, this is 4, which is equals to 8, which is equals to 4, and this is equals to the right hand side. So B is our answer. So I didn't even had to solve for the quadratic equation and then find the solution and solve for X. So this is what is known as BallParking. Thank you so much.